This video will take you through the steps of embedding your YouTube video that you created, embedding it into a content page in Blackboard. So I am in YouTube, and I'm not sure when you are on your YouTube what you will be seeing, but let me just show you. If you click up on this YouTube icon in the left hand corner, it takes you to the main page of YouTube. That's where we are right now. From this page, if you go to the upload button, remember we clicked the upload button to create the video. Next to that button, there's a little drop down menu. We're going to click that menu and we're going to go to Video Manager. Video Manager is your storage place, so every video that you create will end up here in Video Manager. As you can see, I have 239 videos in here, and I am going to embed this one over here that we just created, the Blended Learning 101 tutorial. Now remember, I told you that when you create your video, you want to give it a unique name, and I will show you why. So the name of this video is Blended Learning 101 tutorial on creating a YouTube video with Geri Koncilja. And I put my name in there because that's going to make this title unique when we go into the Blackboard search. So from here, I'm going to click on my title, and it highlights it. When I click on it, it highlights. I'm going to do a Control-C to copy. So on your keyboard, hit the Control button and the C button, C as in cat, at the same time. And that copies your YouTube title. And then we're going to go into Blackboard. So let me open up Blackboard. Here we are in Blackboard, and from the menu you just have to decide where you want to put the tutorial or put your video. So I'm going to put it here in Teaching Toolkit. So I'm going to open up Teaching Toolkit, and I have these modules set up in here. So from here I'm going to open the YouTube Tutorials module. And remember, your setup will be a little bit different depending on how you have your course set up. So in here, I'm going to go to Build Content, and I'm going to select Item. So this is just the same way you go in and create content pages in your Blackboard. I'm going to select Item, and I am going to call this Embed YouTube Video in Blackboard. Okay, I'm going to include some instructions down here. And then I'm going to click on this little mashup tool. The mashup tool shows up on the menu in the text box editor. If you're not seeing it, make sure your text box editor is open. So in the right hand corner of the text box editor, there's a little chevrons over here. If your text box looks like this, go to that little chevron and click it, and that will open up your menu. Okay, so that's that little icon right in the right hand corner of the text box editor. And the reason I want that open is I want to get to this little mashups tool here. So I'm going to click mashup, and I'm going to insert YouTube video. Now remember, I copied and pasted my YouTube title from YouTube, so I'm just going to go here to the search box in the mashup, and I'm going to just do a Control V as in Victor, and that will paste in that copied title. Okay, so the other thing I want to make sure I do is from this next menu where it says all of the words, I'm going to go to the drop down menu and select at least one of the words, and then I'm going to click the Go button, and that should bring up all of any YouTube that have titles that are similar to the title that I pasted in there. Again, this is important that you use a title that is going to distinguish your YouTube from anything else that's in there, because you could get thousands and thousands of movies if you don't set up your title to be pretty distinctive. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Now normally on the mashup menu, down here under View, I usually insert this as an embedded video, and that gives the students a nice size video to actually watch right in Blackboard. I've been having trouble with those videos showing up, so I'm just going to select thumbnail here, and I'm going to show the URL, and I will keep the information in there. So the YouTube information, so when my video posts, it's going to look just like this up here under number 1. So I am going to it just froze for a second. I'm going to submit this. And there is my YouTube video embedded in there, and I will hit the submit button in Blackboard. And there it is right there.